There are so many ways to vanish a coin or a small object that sometimes it can be hard to know which one's the best one to learn. So I want to teach you guys the best ways to vanish a coin that every magician should know. I'm going to give you 3 of these, so let's just get straight into it right now. Now just to start this off, I should probably know what each of these vanishes are called, but I have no idea what they're called at this point. But I'm going to teach you 3 of them. So the first one is just you take the coin, place it in your other hand, and it vanishes. So basically, all you need is a quarter, a coin, whatever you want. So you put it in your hand. You're going to want to put it, so basically on your ring finger, right in between these 2 spots in your finger. I can't think of what it's called, but basically you want to put the coin right there and just pinch it between those, just like that. So this is why a quarter is like the perfect size, but you know, whatever you want to use, but essentially just squeeze it like that and then have all your other fingers around it like this, kind of just in a natural hand position. This is a natural hand position, but you can't see that there's a coin there at all. Now you essentially just show the quarter to the spectator, close up everything, so now it's pinched. So if I go like this, it's not coming out of there. Just take this, put it over. Actually, you actually want to pretty much touch your other hand like this. So just take it, bam, and then close your hand. It's actually going to take quite a lot of practice to actually get the timing of all of this down, to get a good timing to where you can get that to look really smooth. But with practice, it'll look really good. I've taken a lot of time to practice this, and now it just looks like I'm just putting it in my hand, but I'm not. So that's all it is just a false transfer. Looks like you're putting it here, but you're not really. Now the second vanish is gonna look like this. You're gonna take the coin, grab it, make it completely vanish. So basically, you're gonna take the coin. Essentially all you're doing is, it looks like you're grabbing it, but all you're doing is dropping it into your hand like this. Let me try to get a better angle for that. So basically, you have the coin there. It looks like you're coming over to grab that, and you just drop that into your hand like this. Now, what I like to do is have my pinky out a little bit, just like this, so that when you drop the coin, it actually catches on the pinky, just like that, and stays there, so that you can just either grab it or get it into a palm, so that you can come down to your side pretty easily. So you're gonna show the coin. As you come up, all you do is just drop the coin like this, and then right now it's just right there in my hand. Like I said, this one's probably easier than the first one, but it honestly looks just as good. It looks the same, like you're grabbing that coin and then it vanishes. You can make it reappear or whatever you want to do, but that is the second vanish. Now for the third vanish, this one is going to look like this. You take the coin, throw it into the hand, and it vanishes. You can even wave your hand, all that, show your hands, but the coin reappears just like that. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So basically, you want to take the coin, you want to hold it just like this. So you have your index finger and your middle finger right there, and take your thumb and pinch on the back. Now, you're actually going to want your thumb covering most of that coin, as you can see there. So just like this. Now what's happening from the back is all you're doing is taking that coin, pushing it into thumb palm. So like that, you can see that coin is right there in thumb palm. So you take your fingers, push that coin back, move your thumb out of the way, stick it right into this part of your thumb, so just like this, and then just grab it with your thumb. So now it's right here, just like this. So now from the front, you can't see anything, but from here, the coin is just in your thumb like this. And this is a natural position. Like if you're just holding your hand here, this is a natural position. It doesn't look like you're doing anything weird at all, but the coin is in palm. So you're gonna wanna practice this a lot so that you can quickly do it, and then bam, gone. So, because obviously if you're kind of like doing it slowly and then you do that, it's gonna look very suspicious. So you wanna be able to do it quick, bam, throw it in, gone. The one thing I do like about this vanish as opposed to the other ones is it looks a lot more clean because you can show your hand. It looks like there's nothing in your hand because your fingers are open. It doesn't look like anything suspicious is going on. It's kind of a weird thing to like toss it into your hand, but no one's gonna really be thinking about that. In my opinion, it just looks really clean. And you, like I said, you can like rub your hand or whatever and then just make it reappear just like that. So that is the third vanish. So I hope you guys really practice these, master these. These are like essential vanishes in Magic, in coin Magic, vanishing an object, whatever. The thing about this one, this vanish that I like a lot is you can do that with like any small object. It's not just a coin. You can do this with like a ball or, you know, whatever. The possibilities are endless. So just use this information as you guys want. Be creative, make up your own tricks with these sleights. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.